asuntoskeittiö Tampereen Ollin linna.
Today it's the 29th of April 2022. We have, what was it again? Lahtomäenkatu 6 stakes B. We have been to the stakes A here before. And actually last time we were here. The capacity is 325 grams. It's really nice. Built by Valmet Otis with series 1 pictures in late 1988.
Yeah.
It's going to be expected in 2024.
At this staircase A.
Oh, actually, yeah. We were in B before this staircase A.
Yeah.
But we have both of them now. This number is the 1E0352. But we also need to get to the building next to this one, which was finished 1989. So that's probably from 1989.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2024. But yeah, we will do it the other one in the summer probably.
Yeah.
7 floors here, and it deserves 2 rides. Fast. This is here in Linnainmaa, one of the suburbs of Tampere, the Land, Finland.
Yeah.
Also the light rail will be constructed from the terminus of Kalpi campus.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Schindler.
Yes, I like the interior here. I'll check the bottom panel.
Yeah.
I will also check it on the first floor if both are working there when we get down.
Yeah. You can also see Leinola here.
Ah, of course. Nice view from here towards Leinola.
Yeah.
And we just went there. We also went there last time.
Yeah.
I've just done the record breaking 56 elevators a day. It's a record.
Yeah.
So now step over on the first floor. And you will also see the alarm now.
That's